Hey everyone, welcome back to EduCat for NEET. In today's video, we will discuss the hormone gibberellins. In the previous video, we have discussed the hormone auxin. If you haven't watched that video, do watch it first. So, today we will talk about the synthesis and the discovery of gibberellins, the types of gibberellins, and also the uses of gibberellins. Let's talk about its biosynthetic pathway, where it was synthesized. What is the synthesis of gibberellins? It is obtained from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The synthesis location in a plant body, where can you see gibberellins being synthesized? In the young shoot tissues. If you look at this shoot, this is a young shoot, and in the tissues of that shoot, that means the stem, you can see the synthesis of gibberellins. And also in developing seeds, you can see that gibberellin hormone is being synthesized. The discovery is such that E. Kurosawa, he was the person who discovered gibberellins. He observed a fungal disease in rice seedling. The name of the disease was Bekene or foolish seedling. When it was treated with sterile filtrates of gibberellins fujikawa. So when it was treated, in this process, he discovered the gibberellins. Talking about the types of gibberellins. More than 100 gibberellins from fungi and higher plants have been discovered. They can be denoted as GA1, GA2, GA3. GA3 is the gibberellic acid, and this was the first one to be discovered, and this is the only one which has been extensively, like most of the time it is being studied, and all of them are acidic. They go on like GA10, 11, 12, 13 and many more. We have seen that more than 100 gibberellins they have been discovered from both fungus and also from higher plants. So we cannot say that gibberellin is solely a plant hormone. It is also found in fungus. Talking about the uses of gibberellins. Gibberellins have the ability to increase the length of axis, so therefore they increase the length of grape stalks. This is the stalk of a grape, and gibberellins have this ability to increase the length of this axis. More gibberellins means more the length of this grape stalks. They also cause apples to elongate and improve its shape. The proper shape of the apple is given by this gibberellins hormone. If apples are in improper shape, which means they have the deficiency of this gibberellin hormones. Gibberellins also delay senescence. Senescence means nothing but old age, ripening of fruits. Fruits have become ripened, which means they have become old and they need to be removed from the plant. So they delay this old age. They allow the plant or the fruit to remain young for a longer time. In this way, gibberellins delay the senescence, the old age, the ripening of fruits. GA3, which is gibberellic acid, we have all seen that it was first discovered and it is widely used also. They speed up the malting process in brewing industry. They cause alcohol and all the malting beverages to be speed up and to be produced in a faster rate. They promote seed germination. We have already seen in the first place that where it is synthesized, developing seeds we have seen. So what can be the use of this in the developing seeds? They promote the seed germination. They cause the shoot and the root to explode and to the seed to grow. So in this way they are promoting the seed germination. They also, if this GA3, which means gibberellic acid, if we spray this GA3 on sugarcane, what will happen? The length of the stem will increase. Therefore, if this length of the stem is increasing, means more amount of sugarcane is being produced. So in this way they increase the yield by 20 tons per acre. If it is increased, then we can say we have widely estimated that it increases the yield, the harvest, by 20 tons per acre. Spraying GA3 on juvenile conifers. If we spray this GA3 hormone on sugarcane, it increases the length of the sugarcane. Therefore, it increases the yield. If we spray GA3, that means gibberellic acid, on juvenile conifers, they help in early seed production. These are the conifers, the Christmas trees, which you can call it. If you spray GA3 on them, then the early seeds are being produced. It helps in early seed production on sprayed on juvenile conifers. Gibberellins also promote bolting. Bolting means internodal elongation. Prior to flowering means before flowering, if you spray uh, gibberellins, then they promote bolting, which means internodal elongation in beet, cabbage, and many other plants. We can say that these plants are rosette habitat. They are like onions, cabbages. So they have very short and discoid stem. This is promoted by gibberellins. This was a summary about gibberellins. Now we will revise it once more. Firstly, we have seen from where it is derived naturally. This is derived from glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. We have seen that. Then where it is synthesized in the plant body. It can be synthesized in the young stem tissues. The tissues of the stem, they have excessive gibberellin production, and also in the developing seeds. When a seed is developing, when it is germinating, then it has excessive amounts of gibberellins in them. When was it discovered? It was discovered by E. Kurosawa when he was performing this experiment. He first observed a fungal disease in rice seedling. This disease is known as Bekeni, and when it was treated with sterile filtrates of gibberellin, Fujikaro. In this process, he discovered a hormone which is known as gibberellins. There are many types of gibberellins, and they can be obtained from both fungus and higher plants. More than 100 gibberellins have been discovered so far. They are denoted as GA1, GA2, GA3, so on till GA100. And they are all, the nature of them is acidic. GA3 was the first hormone, first gibberellic acid to be discovered, and it is the most extensively studied. Talking about the uses of gibberellins. Gibberellins have the ability to increase the length of axis. So therefore, they increase the length of grape stalks. They cause elongation in the apple and improve the shape of the apple. They delay the senescence, delay the ripening of fruits. They also speed up the malting process in brewing industry. They promote seed germination. They increase, when GA3, gibberellic acid, is sprayed on sugar canes, they increase the length of the stem. Therefore, the yield of sugarcane is increased by 20 tons per acre. When GA3 is sprayed on juvenile conifers, they help in the early seed production. They also promote bolting, means internodal elongation. This is the internode. If we say stems have nodes, and the area between the nodes is known as internode. So they promote bolting, which is internodal elongation. Prior to flowering, before flowering, they promote bolting in these kinds of plants like beet, cabbage, and many other plants which have discoid stems. So this was a brief summary about gibberellins. Everything which is included in the NCERT is covered. You can make this flowchart, you can make this mind map in your own notebook, or you can watch this video if whenever you feel like revising. So if you like this video, do drop a like, comment down below if you have any doubt, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends. And watch all the videos. We have covered all the topics in these form of mind maps or flow charts or any other short notes. Thanks for watching.